Come here. Let Mama see your mouth. Can I see? Let's see. Okay. Let's see. That's hide. And oh, pretty. Let me see this eye. Yes, very, very nice teeth. Open up. Open that mouth up. See, open. Yeah. Good girl.
Welcome to Holy Golden Doodle's channel. Meet our associates, their ranking in our pack, their status as our house dogs, and most importantly, our family members. Follow us as our 8-week-old puppies grow up to hopefully become healthy moms of healthy puppies for qualified owners. Health testing, milestones, things they learn, cuteness they share, all included here. Please consider clicking like, share, or subscribe to our channel.
Hello, everybody. This will be the third time that I've tried to make this video, and the third time's the charm. So I am determined to get this video out. I believe it's important, and what it's about is, can dogs get braces, and are they safe? So my information today, I've got it from a few sources, but this particular one is healspot.com. It's something that Hills Science Diet Dog Food Company, whatever the name of their company is. I'm not sponsored or affiliated, but they had this information on Google, and I wanted to share it with you. I have a friend that's got a little bitty Yorkie, and she's still a baby, but she's starting to lose her baby teeth, and she's got some that she's not lost yet, and it got me to wondering if dogs can get braces. And I know we're pretty crazy about our dogs in this day and time, and we'll do anything for them that we can humanly do. So here's my take on it. If you've got a dog with crooked teeth or bite alignment issues, you've probably wondered if a dog can get braces. Maybe you're looking to learn more about dog braces because you've heard of them before, and some dog that had braces to correct their bite. But it turns out that dog braces do in fact exist, and they have for well over 30 years in vet dentistry and in orthodontia to help dogs that have painful or life-threatening dental problems. Humans usually wear braces for cosmetic issues. They want their teeth to look nice, or they might have an overcrowding situation and they have to have work done to realign and pull their teeth back together, but same thing with dogs. You can get them fixed for health reasons so they can chew and eat normally. Now, dog braces can help with several different dental conditions, including crowded teeth or misaligned teeth or lance teeth, which basically are upper canine teeth that point out of the mouth instead of down. And additional conditions that have been treated with braces in canines include lingual eversion, and that's a condition where one or both of the canine teeth in the lower jaw go on the inside, and lingual eversion is a problem seen in dogs with long and narrow noses like collies, and it's painful and it doesn't allow their mouth to close properly. In really severe cases, it can cause the misplaced teeth to poke holes in the roof of the dog's mouth, and it requires treatment with either braces or removal of the weird crooked canine teeth. Overbites occur when the lower jaw is shorter than the top jaw, and remaining baby teeth is just when the teeth don't fall out and when they should, and it can lead to crowding and bite issues and gum disease or periodontal disease. And in surgery aftercare, sometimes the braces are needed, like where a dog might have a cancer treatment and part of the treatment is to have to remove part of the jaw or, the gums or whatever. and braces can keep teeth from drifting out of place. So how can you tell if your dog really needs braces? If your dog's dropping food when it's eating, or if it doesn't want you to touch its head, like maybe it's got pain, or it has an overbite that you can obviously notice or not obviously notice. Or if you notice any changes to their teeth. If you notice their teeth starting to lay funny or something like that, it's time to consult your vet. Your vet is the best resource to tell you whether your dog needs braces or any other kind of dental issues. I don't know anything about anything. I'm just sharing information. This channel's for entertainment purposes only. I always say consult your vet, and I know you can do regular vet checkups with your puppies from the time you bring them home, and the vet will always check in their mouth, and their teeth will start coming in between 4 or 6 months of age when their adult teeth start coming in, and then you might start seeing changes or problems then. They might see them before then. But our vet always looks at our dog's teeth and tells us, if they're looking clean or if they're a little, iffy, but they're not really iffy because I always make sure that they have deer antlers and elk antlers to chew on, which I pick them up online, or I get kids on my school bus to bring them to me or something like that, but I'm not recommending anybody use deer antlers or elk antlers or any other kind of chew. They've got chews in anywhere, in pet stores, and like Nylabone chews, not affiliated with them or sponsored by them. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with anyone, actually. I make sure my dogs always have things that's safe to chew on, to make sure their teeth are always very, very clean. And in this video, I was able to show the teeth on all 3 dogs. Now, Paris and Bougie, when I showed theirs, their face, their lips and lip hair and everything was pretty wet because they'd been outside wrestling, and then they came in hot and got a drink. Because like on this video, it's 4:30 in the morning. I got up, started brushing them, getting them ready for the day, and letting them get all the exercise they could get before I had to go to work. And then I run in and out throughout the day and let them exercise for a while, and then I go back. But anyway, the vet, see, there's the teeth with the braces on them. Most dogs who have something wrong with them that requires orthodontic treatment are diagnosed when they're real young, 4 to 6 months of age, as their adult teeth are coming in. And a vet orthodontist is similar to one for humans. They may refer you to a vet dentist who specializes in canine orthodontia. Even if you're skeptical about braces, which I'm sure most people are, they're thinking, wow, that's really spoiling them rotten. But, they need what they need. And if you can afford to get them what they need, do it, If your vet notices an issue in your dog's mouth, it's always a good idea to at least consult a vet dentist to learn what you can do, what treatment options there are. Ask questions you may have. What other things should you consider about getting your dog fit for braces? One important thing is whether your dog's healthy enough to be under general anesthesia, because they have to do that a few times to put these braces on them. And vet dentists also x-ray and clean the teeth while they've got the dog under. It's just a good opportunity to get that out of the way, so they do that. And if it's necessary, depending on your dog's health condition and so on, several rounds of anesthesia might be needed. It just depends on how fast a dog's teeth line up after they put the braces on. They keep checking them and tightening on them and moving them around to the gaps and this and that. But the good news is that dogs don't wear their braces nearly as long as humans. Usually dogs wear theirs for a few weeks to a few months, and humans is like years. So now you're probably wondering now, how expensive is it? Well, dog braces can cost from $2,000 up to $5,000, but it depends on a lot of things. The size of your dog, what kind of condition its teeth are in, what it needs, how extensive, how long they have to wear the braces. And one thing you can consider that I did not know is pet dental insurance, because it does cover a lot of this stuff. And I looked it up, and I don't want to recommend anyone, but there's a top 10 list of pet insurances. And I Googled pet dental insurance, and it gave pet health insurance, which you click on the policies, and I'm sure it tells you which ones cover dental, probably all of them. But anyway, you can find out on that. And so now, when you have to care for a dog that's got braces, is it hard? Well, it's not difficult, according to this, but you have to regularly brush and inspect your dog's teeth. That's something you should be doing anyway. But I don't brush my dog's teeth, but I would, but I keep them used to me touching their mouth. I give them stuff to chew on that'll keep their teeth clean. And if they ever need to be put under to get their teeth actually scaled, I will do that. But I've not done that up till now, and I've owned dogs a lot. If your dog's fitted with braces, though, you'll have to inspect their braces every day to make sure nothing's come loose, because they can't tell you if they feel something weird in there. And you'll have to make sure they eat soft food while they've got the braces in. And you definitely cannot give them chew toys, because they'll damage the braces probably and break them off, and no telling what kind of damage the edges could do to the skin in their mouth. So you'll just have to treat them with kids' gloves, and Lord knows we don't have any problem with that with our fur babies. We love to take care of them, don't we? So let's say you got your dog's braces, and now they're getting ready to remove them. What do? They don't need a retainer like humans to keep their teeth in place, and they can go immediately back to eating regular food and playing with their favorite chew toys. According to this article on heelspot.com. Are there other treatment options for this? Well, even though the answer to the question, can dogs get braces, is yes, the answer to whether they should get the braces might be no. It's always still worth a consultation with a vet or a board-certified vet dentist to explore other options. So, other options could include tooth extraction. They could pull the offending teeth, or they can shorten their teeth with filing. Now, I know they do that on horses, but sometimes they can shorten the teeth down by filing them, but the vet dentist has to take care of that and tell you that. Now, in most cases, braces are affordable, and they're an easy way to correct your dog's dental problems. If you've got cost concerns, your vet can tell you about the insurance, like I said. Also, there's a treatment that you can do called ball therapy. And in that case, base narrow canine teeth are when the lower jaw canine teeth are more narrow than the upper jaw, and it causes the dogs to basically bite down on the insides of their mouth and the roof of their mouth and poke holes in there, and it just causes damage. And dogs don't normally show much pain in that, so they'll just suffer with it, like we were talking about a while ago. And correction should be done early on this, and it'll help spare the puppy the pain before it gets the adult teeth. Now, treatment is, they recommend ball therapy, and ball therapy is an intermittent orthodontic device designed to move the canine teeth laterally without surgery. And all you do is you get a ball. It needs to be the size that will just rest between the tips of the canine teeth, not so small that it will rest on the floor of the mouth or be swallowed, not too large that it rests on the tips of the dog's teeth. The ball shape needs to be round or oval. Now, Kong toys make Kong balls, and they are supposed to be perfect for that. Field hockey balls or soft baseballs work well, but no earth balls, whatever that is. The ball needs to be firm but able to deform with pressure. The ball needs to be smooth and avoid teeth wear, so no tennis balls can be used. And what you do is you actively play for 15 minutes 3 times a day. And then you can play even longer if you want to. But the idea is the pressure from the ball may force the teeth to be more lateral. It'll fit down in there, push those teeth where they should be, work them apart where they should be. And so, again, I don't have any information off of this page about the ball therapy. But that is the information that I found about canine teeth, and can they wear braces, and should they wear braces, and do they help? And the answer is yes, yes, yes. I recommend looking into pet insurance. Used to years ago. I don't think they paid much on whatever, but they do now. And in the future, if I get to raise puppies, whelp puppies, I'm going to include pet health insurance information in the go home bags. So up till now, I haven't got anything like that prepared. Hopefully this video turns out this time, because I feel like this is important information. Just not only about braces, but be sure you get your vet to look at your dog's teeth and make sure they're not hurting themselves inside their mouth with crowded teeth, or teeth that are splayed in or out funny, that's causing them to bite their own jaws and poke holes in the roof of their own mouth. Because I believe I had a Chihuahua that probably happened to. Now there's Paris France's teeth. Her mouth's all wet from drinking water, but there she is. They all have very, very clean teeth. I always let them chew stuff to keep them clean. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this video was good for you. Talk to you soon. Bye.